Here's a pair of the SHOKZ OpenDots ONE earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Vizio Smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is put these earbuds into pairing mode. The buds are in the case. I'm going to open up this lid. Oops. Now I'll know it's in pairing mode if the light here is blinking green, orange, green, orange. However, I get a solid green light here and then it goes off. So for myself, let me manually put this into pairing mode. If I look on the back of the case here, I get a little round button here. What I want to do is press and hold that button and wait till it starts blinking green, orange, green, orange. Okay, so button right here, press and hold, keep holding, just wait, there we go. Green, orange, let go. Leave it just like this now. Shoot over to your TV and you want to go to your settings. If you have a settings button on your remote, you can go that way. If not, you can just go to the home page, click on the home page or the home button on your remote, and just navigate to the settings. So we want to move left, and then we're going to go all the way down to settings right there, and then OK on the remote. From here we're going to go all the way down to all settings right there, select that. From here go all the way down to Bluetooth devices and remotes right there, let's select that. Now we're going to go down to headphones, let's select that. And now that little thing that's spinning down there at the very bottom is searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is about 30 feet Bluetooth range. It's still in the pairing mode, and it just popped up the open dots right there. So let me go down. I'm going to highlight it. Click on OK on the remote. It's pairing right now. Okay, it says connected, and I can see the solid green light on here as well, so I know that I'm connected there too. And you can see the check mark. You can see there you go, so you can see the check mark, so you know that it's connected. Okay, before what I did was I closed the lid here and it'll just disconnect it, turn these off. Anyway, there you go. If you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always do a factory reset on these earbuds. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.